Hi children, take your activity book. See here ma, this is your EVS class, pollution. Color the picture and note the type of pollution it is causing. Guess it children, this is which type of pollution? Here smoke is coming from that factory. What is that pollution? Yes, air pollution. Okay children, okay, write down here air pollution. Write down here air pollution, capital A I R, air, P down letter, POLLUTION, pollution, air pollution. Write down children here air pollution and take crayons, draw neatly ma, color it neatly. Okay, okay children, turn the next page. Is Earth happy or sad, relieved or worried? Read the phrases and place the stickers appropriately. Here, planting trees. It is happy or sad thing for globe? Yes, it is happiest thing. So, take your last page in activity book and take this type of sticker, happy sticker, and paste like this. Okay ma? Next, keeping the surroundings clean. Yes, this is also happiest thing in the earth. Yes or no? So, take the happiest sticker and paste like this. Next one, using loudspeakers. Yes, loudspeakers is very sad thing to the earth. So take this type of sticker and paste it. Sad sticker. Not disposing waste in the water. Yes, it is good one. So take happy sticker and paste it. Next one, factories releasing pollutions into the rivers. ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ నుంచి వచ్చేటువంటి పొల్యూషన్ అనేది నదుల్లోకి వెళ్తుందంట. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ సాడ్ థింగ్. సో టేక్ సాడ్ పిక్చర్ అండ్ పేస్ట్ లైక్ దిస్. నెక్స్ట్ పిక్చర్, స్మోక్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ వెహికల్స్. స్మోక్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ వెహికల్స్, వెహికల్స్ నుంచి వచ్చే పొగ వస్తుందన్నమాట వెహికల్స్ నుంచి. అది సాడ్ థింగా హ్యాపీయెస్ట్ థింగా? సాడ్ థింగ్. సో టేక్ దిస్ స్టిక్కర్. డంపింగ్ గార్బేజ్ ఇన్ ద నైబర్హుడ్. ఇరుగు పొరుగు వారి మధ్య ఇంటి ముందు మనం గార్బేజ్ వేస్తాము, వేయొచ్చా? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో సాడ్ థింగ్. టేక్ సాడ్ స్టిక్కర్ అండ్ పేస్ట్ లైక్ దిస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, యూజింగ్ హార్న్స్ ఓన్లీ ఆ సిగ్నల్ ఆఫ్ డేంజర్. ఎస్, డేంజర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం హార్న్స్ వేయాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపీ థింగ్. So take happy sticker and paste it. Next, spraying chemical pesticides. Chemicals ni ekkuva spray cheyocha? No, this is sad thing. So sad sticker and paste like this. Next, burning the garbage in treatment plants. It is also happy thing ma. Take happy sticker and paste like this. Turn the next page children. Identify the type of pollution in the given pictures by marking them with L for land pollution, W for water pollution, A for air pollution, and S for sound pollution. Okay children, look at these pictures and find out which one is which picture is which pollution. Recognize it children in this picture. This is which type of pollution? This one. Yes, air pollution. Write down here children, capital A. This is air pollution. So here see children, గార్బేజ్ ఈజ్ బర్నింగ్ హియర్. చెత్తని తగలబెడుతున్నారు. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏం పొల్యూషన్? ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్. గాలి కలుషితం అవుతుంది కదా. సో ఇది గాలి కలుషితం అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్ హియర్. ఎస్, చాలా ఫిషెస్ చనిపోయినాయి. సో దీన్ని ఏం పొల్యూషన్ అంటాం? ఎస్, వాటర్ పొల్యూషన్. W. Write down children here, capital W. Here loudspeakers are there. So it is which type of pollution? Sound is coming in this from these loudspeakers. Write down capital S. Air pollution, water pollution and sound pollution. See the next picture. Yes, here factories waste is coming into the rivers. It is which type of pollution? Water pollution. Write down children, capital W. Okay. Next, here garbage is pouring in empty plots. It is which type of pollution? Yes, land pollution. So write down capital L. Here see children, air is coming from the factory, smoke is coming. So it is which type of pollution? Air pollution. Write down air pollution, capital A. Water pollution, land pollution and air pollution. See the next picture. It is which type of pollution, children? Here water is spoiling here. Yes or no? With garbage. So here write down W, water pollution, capital W. Here aeroplane is there, children. It is which type of pollution? Yes, sound pollution. Write down capital S, capital yes. It is which type of pollution, children? Spraying chemicals to the garden. It is air pollution. Write down capital A. Water pollution W, sound pollution S and air pollution capital A. Okay children, did you remember what is called pollution? Yes, pollution is the act of spoiling the surroundings and contaminating the environment. What is the pollution definition? Yes, pollution is the act of spoiling the surroundings and contaminating the environment. How many types of pollutions are there, children? Yes, there are 4 types of pollutions. What are they? Water pollution, air pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Okay children, what is called water pollution? Do you remember? Yes, 70% of earth is filled with water but have very little water to drink and use. Yes or no? Why? Because water is getting dirty and polluted. Yes, throwing garbage into the river and defecate human and animal wastes near the water sources, spraying chemical pesticides. So this is how we make our water dirty. What is called air pollution? Yes, smoke from cars, buses, crackers and factories, burning of garbage. This is the air pollution. What is called land pollution? Land gets polluted to the disposal of waste all over the roads and in empty plots. That is called land pollution. What is called noise pollution? Yes, unwanted or loud noise from vehicles, airplanes and industrial workplace and loudspeakers create noise pollution. Okay children? Okay, learn the precaution also children. You already finished this one in course book. Take your course book and learn what is called pollution and how many types of pollutions are there, and how we prevent noise pollution and air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. How to stop pollution. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.